Hello students, we have already read about simple and compound sentences and today we will read complex sentences. Okay, today we will read about complex sentence. A complex sentence is made up of principal or main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. Okay, so complex sentence is made up of principal, you can say it main clause also, and in this sentence one or more subordinate clauses are added. The subordinate clause either lacks a subject or a verb and has both a subject and a verb that does not express a complete thought. Subordinate clause, as you know, it is also called a dependent clause, and it is dependent on main clause. It is dependent on independent clause. Okay, so it doesn't express a complete thought. It's not a complete sentence. Yeah, and in this subordinate clause either lacks a subject and or a verb or has both subject and a verb. Okay, for example, after eating a lunch at hotel, Tim went to gym to exercise. After eating the lunch at a hotel, Tim went to gym to exercise. The first clause, after eating lunch at a hotel, is the subordinate clause, and in this clause there is no subject. Okay, and so it is not a complete sentence because subordinate clause does not make a complete sense, and it is incapable of standing on its own. It cannot stand on its own. It is a dependent clause. It is a dependent sentence that depends on main clause, that depends on subordinate independent clause. And the second clause, Tim went to gym to exercise, it is a main clause. It is a complete sentence. It is also called principal clause. Okay, so it can stand on its own and it makes a complete sense. Okay, to convey the full meaning it has to be joined with subordinate clause using a subordinate conjunction. Okay, therefore this sentence is a complex sentence. देखो बेटा ये complete sentence है. Tim went to gym to exercise, and to make a complex sentence बनाने के लिए, to convey the full meaning, it has to be joined subordinate clause with a subordinating conjunction. Okay, that is conjunction. After eating the lunch at a hotel, it's a subordinated clause, and Tim went to gym to exercise, it a main clause. So a complex sentence always has a subordinator conjunction like as, because, since, after, when, or relative pronouns what, that, which. Okay, so I hope you are understanding. So you have to read the page number 183 today. Okay, and study the examples of complex sentences given below. For example, Malika ordered the food for me because I was hungry. Malika ordered food for me. This is a complete sentence. This is a main clause, principal clause. Okay, and because I was hungry, that is a subordinate clause that depends on the main clause. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So you have to understand the rules of complex sentences and read page number 183 and try to solve 5 sentences of exercise number 1. Okay students, if you have any query then you can ask. Thank you.